Smoky eyes is one of the most common and popular eye makeup looks. This is a very basic version, very easy for beginners. I'm using the Smashbox Halo Primer. This is going to be not only giving me a nice tint on my face, it's also going to moisturize. Considering I'm going to be just using a dry powder foundation, keeping the makeup really light. I'm going to be using this Smooth Wear Concealer by MAC, just a little bit. Then I'm using my powder foundation. This is perfect for daily makeup. Smoky eyes doesn't have to always be black. Today I'm going to be using a brown eyeshadow. Take any brown eyeshadow of your choice, and I'm taking a flat brush and applying it just on my upper eyelid. Without taking more product, just bring the color down onto your lower outer lash line. Then take a soft, clean brush and use it to soften it. Blend it till the harsh line goes away. Use a black kohl of your choice on your lower waterline. Then smudge it out with a pencil brush. I always set my eyebrows with a gel. A good mascara is a must to complete the eye makeup. Prep your lips with a nude lip liner, fill it out and line it. Then take a darker lip liner to define it further. I'm using a pale lipstick. but make sure your darker lip liner is fully covered. The darker lip liner makes your lipstick not look washed out. I'm going to use a little bit of blush so that my face doesn't look flat. Because it's a daily look and I'm just going out for some chores, I am not going to be contouring. If you're a beginner trying different kinds of eye makeup, try this smoky eye first before you go into more advanced techniques. Let me know how it goes.